Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Galaxy S22 Stylus Pen replacement for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. If you own the Galaxy S22 Ultra and need a replacement stylus pen or just want some extra nibs, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at what this product offers. The Galaxy S22 Stylus Pen replacement is designed for use with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. It's a stylus pen without Bluetooth functionality, and it boasts an impressive 4096 pressure levels for precise writing and sketching. Now, let's talk about the key features and benefits of this stylus pen replacement. It's specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless performance. With 4096 pressure levels, this stylus pen offers a smooth and responsive writing and sketching experience, making it great for artists and note-takers. The package includes 5 replacement tips, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. You can easily swap them out when needed, ensuring long-lasting use. Unlike some stylus pens, this one doesn't require Bluetooth connectivity, making it straightforward to use and compatible with a wider range of devices. The product comes with a 180-day warranty, and the manufacturer promises to address any non-human factors quality problems promptly. So, how does this stylus pen perform in real-world usage? Users have reported that it works well as a replacement for the original Samsung stylus. It provides smooth and accurate input, whether you're drawing, taking notes, or navigating your device. The replacement nibs are also a handy addition, ensuring the pen's longevity. The Galaxy S22 Stylus Pen replacement is available in the attractive color burgundy and is priced at just $12.97 on Amazon. Please note that this product may not be available for delivery to all locations, so be sure to check before making your purchase. In conclusion, the Galaxy S22 Stylus Pen replacement offers an affordable and functional solution for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G owners. With its high pressure sensitivity, replacement nibs, and budget-friendly price, it's a solid choice. Just keep in mind that it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity, which might be a pro or a con depending on your needs. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions for future reviews, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.